YouTube, what's going on with y'all, man? When it says Roman back with another lit reaction video. Hey, man, as y'all can tell by the thumbnail and the title of this video, man, Sport Bike takes Georgia trooper on a high speed chase through heavy traffic, man. Hey, this one right here gonna be a dangerous one, man. So, hey, y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. And by the way, this video is by State Boys, man. So shout out to State Boys, man. If y'all come across this video, man, shout out to y'all, man. Y'all and county boys and all y'all, you know what I'm saying? Y'all be putting out, you know what I'm saying, good content. But yeah, but before I start this video, man, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yep, State Boys. Yep. Now make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe so we can keep on producing these videos, man. But gonna go ahead on and get started. I like that little intro. I don't know what side of town this on. It's nice. Look nice over there. Upside town this on. Oh, there go to my bike. I was like, where's the bike? The bike up there, y'all. That gotta be Gwinnett. Yeah, that's Gwinnett. Milburn, that area. Definitely Lawrenceville. Don't jump the curves, yes. I hate when people do that, bro. Like, get out the way, bro. When you see this man coming, lights and sirens, bro, get out the way.
He's gonna be going 20 eastbound, 20 eastbound.
That boy just drift that turn, low key.
It's me, 20 eastbound.
Listen to that hammer roar. That's definitely Lawrenceville. Oh no, that's Douglasville.
Continue past Fairburn.
Shit, they look the same. The way they move those charges, bro, is insane. Like, look at how fast he's going, bro. Like, he's just floating through traffic. Look, finna run into the back of the.
I got eyes on him. We're going towards
That was close.
gonna be coming up to you past the County Line Road.
like he's chasing ghosts at this point. Like he's just chasing air at this point. Like, but I don't know. We're gonna see. Y'all know every time I be like he's chasing ghosts or they chasing the air or something like that, they end up catching up with him and doing them dirty. So, oh no, there he go. There you go. That boy thought he was gone. That Charger was doing numbers on the interstate. He looked back like, damn, that nigga back on my ass. Back on the interstate. Okay, so if y'all live in Georgia, right? And correct me if I'm wrong, but I think only the state police can chase bikes. Like, I don't think the county or the city can chase bikes. I think only the state can. But I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Still going west, correction eastbound.
Look at how the hood is just flapping. Look at that. That's how you know he going fast. And it don't even show the speed that he's going in. We just know he going fast. Like he's definitely doing over 130. This man finna pit the Looms truck, bruh. That is crazy. It look like he was finna pit him. Hey, y'all can see Atlanta from right there. That's Atlanta. South Car. Damn, they done came a long way. Not really, but yeah. That's scary, bro. How that Charger can catch up to stuff like that, bro. That motorbike is gone. I don't know what kind of bike that is either. I know he picking up all kind of nails in his tire. I just heard something creeping up on me. Like, what? Look the other way. Look, listen to that Hemi roar, bro.
Trying to get back, but you got heavy traffic.
I don't think he catching him, y'all.
10 Rock got heavy traffic trying to get back visual.
Chase been going on for almost 10 minutes. And he still ain't caught up to him.
I'm 20 west at the 25 bypass.
20 west. Good.
Correction, 20 east, 20 east, 20 east, coming up to the 25 bypass.
Correction, 20 east, coming to 35 bypass.
Thank you.
Getting up through traffic. I ain't gonna lie, that bike getting off on his ass. I ain't gonna lie. I don't think he catching that bike, man. He might as well just go on and call it off. Cause at this point, bro, you like y'all niggas playing chicken, bro. Like you catch up to him, you try to put him, and he just take off. Like the biker is trolling you at this point. Like he put bus links on you just to let you catch back up, or you catch back up, and then he just go even harder. Like he just.
Okay. Clear path to MLK. 346 APD does have visual on the bike.
10-4, I'm clear, I'm continuing.
See, some of these people in traffic, bro, so they already tweaking, bro. Like, rule number one, bro. Rule number one. In Georgia, no matter what part of Georgia you in, when you see that blue and gray, I said blue and gray. When you see that blue and gray car come up behind you, or the all black, bro, cause you know they got all black, all gray, blue and gray, all blue. Anything that got a ram bar coming up behind you, bro, you supposed to get out the way, bro, off rip, bro. Cause like how fast they be coming up on you, bro, it'd be insane. Like if you live in Georgia, bro, and you done been on the interstate and you done witnessed a GSP car just come up behind you, like you just know to get out the way. And it's not even that they coming to pull you over, like they just haul ass through traffic. It's just like they take flight everywhere they go. Like he shouldn't have to blow the horn, bro. Like you should just know, like, let me get out there, man. Wait. He is not trying to let that bike go. I'm telling that boy coming up in the car, blowing the horn and shit. Like he low key, like I ain't gonna lie, like low key, like he not even giving them enough time to get out the way. I don't know. I don't know. It just depends. Cause that Jag got on about the way.
346. I just heard over trip C. He's 20 east. Approaching the connector.
Nigga just come up behind a car. Huh? Why are they slamming on brakes, bro? Just get out his way. Some people are just not real, bro. Like me personally, like you know what I'm saying. Like when I hear emergency first responder vehicles coming up behind me, like I instantly just get out the way, bro. Instantly. I keep yawning, y'all. It's like I'm tired, but I'm not tired. It don't even matter. Gotta get these videos out to y'all, man. Yeah, he's not catching that bike.
I believe Phoenix is I'm gonna give Lee the call open unless they pick it back up, but I'm heading back to Taylor.
Imagine doing all that through traffic, bro, honking at people and all that, just for you not to catch up, bro. Like, come on, bro. I know you feel, you know what I'm saying, a little, yeah, I feel a little stupid. I ain't gonna lie, but that's just me. But look, man, y'all let me know how y'all feel about this chase down in the comment section down below, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe, man. And stay tuned for the next reaction video, man. And we are out.